Hello students, in this class we are going to solve the integration sum of x cos inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Here there are two functions, one is inverse function, that is cos inverse x, and another is algebraic function x by root of 1 minus x square. For this type of functions, to find the integration, there is one formula or solution formula, that is, if there are two functions of f of x and g of x, then integration of f of x g of x dx is equal to, that answer is f of x integration of g of x dx minus integration of f dash x into integration of g of x dx whole bracket dx. It means we find f dash x and find integration of g of x dx and multiply it. After multiply the result, we must find the integration to it. That's why we have put dx on, using x variable we are going to integrate it. That's why I have put it there. Here there are two functions, one is cos inverse x and another is algebraic function of x by root of 1 minus x square. Here f of x dx, g of x. For the second function only we are going to integrate it. For the first function they are only differentiated. For our convenience, if cos inverse x is first function of f of x, it is easy to find the differentiation for it. Because cos inverse x differentiation is, we know, minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. If we put cos inverse x as second function, it is very difficult to find the integration for it. That's why I take f of x is cos inverse x. Let f of x is cos inverse x and g of x is x by root of 1 minus x square. First, f of x is cos inverse x. F dash x is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. We have to find g of x integration. G of x dx is equal to, we put g of x, what is g of x? X by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Numerator is x and denominator part is root of 1 minus x square. That type of integration we have to find it by substitution method. I put substitute t is equal to 1 minus x square. Then dt is equal to 1 becomes, when I differentiate 1 becomes 0, and minus x square is equal to minus 2x dx. In the numerator part x dx is there, so I take minus 2, that's the left side. Dt by minus 2 is equal to x dx. Now we change the integration sum in the full form of another t function. So that integration of g of x dx is equal to integration of x by root of 1 minus x square dx becomes here x dx is equal to dt by minus 2. dt by x by root of 1 minus x square is equal to x dx is equal to dt by minus 2. X dx is equal to dt by minus 2. In the denominator part there is root of 1 minus x square. Root of 1 minus x square is equal to root t. It can be written like that. Minus 1 by 2 integration of dt by root t. Now I take root t to the numerator part. Then minus 1 by 2 integration of t power minus of, because here t power plus of, if we take it to the numerator, it becomes t power minus of dt. What is the integration for it? Minus 1 by 2 x power n is in the integration part. The integration result is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it becomes t power minus of plus 1 by minus of plus 1. Then minus of t power plus of by plus of. It can be written it as 2 by 1 into t power of. T refers what is t? T is equal to, what is t? T is equal to 1 minus x square. So, t here t power of, upon 1 minus x square power of can be written as root of 1 minus x square. 2 cancelled, so it becomes a minus root of 1 minus x square. It is integration of g of x dx. Integration of g of x dx. Answer is minus root of 1 minus x square. Now, I am going to put the answer result. What are the answers coming here? F of x integration of g of x dx minus integration of f dash x integration of g of x dx. What are the results coming here? Here f of x is cos inverse x. Cos inverse x. Integration of g of x dx is equal to minus root of 1 minus x square. Minus integration of, what is f dash x? F dash x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. What is integration of g of x dx? Minus root of 1 minus x square dx. Here also we must, after multiplying these expressions, we must find a integration for it. Here root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square is cancelled, minus and minus becomes another plus. So the answer is minus root of 1 minus x square cos inverse x minus integration of just only 1 dx minus root of 1 minus x square cos inverse x, and what is the integration for 1? 1 integration is another just x, for minus x plus a constant is c. There are first two parts are negative form, so I take minus before 1 minus root of 1 minus x square cos inverse x plus x plus c. It is the solution for it. Here again I am going to tell it. This question is coming in the 12th standard CBSE Maths book, exercise number 7.6, question number 11. What is the question? Integration of x cos inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. To find the integration for it, here there are two functions. In the differentiation we have find a product rule for it. In the integration also there are integration formula for the product of two functions. That is, if f of x g of x, integration of f of x g of x dx is equal to f of x integration of g of x dx minus integration of within bracket f dash x into integration of g of x dx whole bracket dx. That rule is a isolate rule for taking the first function as a isolate rule. What is isolate rule? Means for our convenience, if we take in this manner, this sum becomes very easy. I refers to inverse function. Here cos inverse is the inverse function. If first function must be give priority, I refers to cos inverse x, so we take first function as a cos inverse x function. What is the another function here? Algebraic function becomes a g of x. If first inverse function does not come here, we in the sum whether logarithmic function comes or not, we must see. If logarithmic function comes, we take f of x is a logarithmic function. If both of them has not come, next priority is algebraic function, a function, and after that a trigonometry function. Other e function means exponential function, e power function. In this manner we have to take them and after do the sum what I have done here. So it is a very important sum. Thank you, student.